Hello, welcome to my presentation. Myself Himanshu Tekade. Today topic for my presentation is challenges and opportunities of blockchain and its integration with IoT. I have reviewed one research paper which is published by Elsevier and authors are Anna Reina, Christian Martin, Jaime Chen, Enrique Soler and Manuel Diaz. This paper was received in 21st December 2017, then again received and revised from 3rd April 2018, then accepted in 21st May 2018 and available online from 24th May 2018. Next, here are the highlights. Challenges to address the integration of IoT with blockchain. Analysis of blockchain potential benefits for the IoT. Blockchain IoT applications and platform for the development and deployment. Blockchain IoT applications and platform for the development of IoT solutions. Possible topologies to that integration. Evaluation of blockchain nodes in IoT devices. Now, introduction of IoT. The Internet of Things (IoT) as a concept is fascinating and exciting, but one of the major challenging aspects of IoT is having a secure ecosystem encompassing of building blocks of IoT architecture. Understanding the different building blocks of IoT, identifying the areas of vulnerabilities in each block, and exploring technologies needed to counter each of the weaknesses are essential in dealing with the security issue of IoT. Now, IoT architectures can be represented by four building blocks: things. These are defined as uniquely identifiable nodes, primarily sensors that communicate without human interaction using different connectivity methods. Gateways. These act as intermediaries between things and cloud to provide the needed connectivity, security, and manageability. Network infrastructure. This is comprised of routers, aggregators, gateways, repeaters, and other devices that control and secure data flows. Cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure contains large pools of virtualized servers and storage that are networked together with computing and analytical capabilities. Now, introduction of blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a database that maintains a continuously growing set of data records. It is distributed in nature, meaning that there is no master computer holding the entire chain. Rather, the participating nodes have a copy of the chain. It's also ever-growing data records are only added to the chain. A blockchain consists of two types of elements. Transactions are the actions created by the participants in the system. And second, blocks record these transactions and make sure that they are in correct sequence and have not been tampered with. Now, what is Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 represented two radical concepts that have had a great repercussion. The first of these is Bitcoin, a virtual cryptocurrency that maintains its value without support from any centralized authority or financial entity. Rather, the coin is held collectively and securely by decentralized P2P network of actors that make up a auditable and verifiable network. The second of the concept, whose popularity has gone ever further than the cryptocurrencies itself, is blockchain. Now, blockchain, how does it work? When someone wants to add a transaction to the chain, all the participants in the network will validate it. They do this by applying an algorithm to the transaction to verify its validity. What exactly is understood by validity is defined by the blockchain system and are differ between systems. Then it is up to a majority of participants to agree that transaction is valid. A set of approved transactions is then bundled in a block, which gets sent to all the nodes in the network. They in turn validate the new block. Each successive block contains a hash, which is unique fingerprint of the previous block. Blockchain technology is the missing link to settle privacy and reliability concerns in the Internet of Things. Blockchain technology could perhaps be the silver bullet needed by the IoT industry. It can be used in tracking billions of connected devices, enabling the processing of transaction and coordination between devices. This allows for significant saving for IoT industry manufacturers. The decentralized approach would eliminate single points of failure, creating a more resilient, resilient ecosystem for devices to turn on. The cryptographic algorithms used by blockchains would make us consumer data more private. The ledger is tamper-proof and cannot be manipulated by malicious actors because it does not exist in a single location, and man-in-the-middle attacks cannot be staged because there is no single thread of communication that can be intercepted. Blockchain makes trustless peer-to-peer messaging possible and has already proven its worth in the world of financial services through cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, providing guaranteed P2P payment services without the need for third-party brokers. The decentralized, autonomous, and trustless capabilities of blockchain make it an ideal component to become a foundational element of IoT solutions. It is no surprise that enterprise IoT technologies have quickly become one of the early adopters of blockchain technology. In an IoT network, the blockchain can keep an immutable record of history of smart devices. This feature enables the autonomous functioning of smart devices without the need for centralized authority. As a result, the blockchain opens the door to a series of IoT scenarios that were remarkably difficult. As a result, the blockchain opens the door to a series of IoT scenarios that were remarkably difficult or even impossible to implement without it. For example, by leveraging the blockchain, IoT solution can enable secure, trustless messaging between devices in an IoT network. In this model, the blockchain will treat message exchange between devices similar to financial transaction in a blockchain network. To enable message exchanges, devices will leverage smart contracts which then model the agreement between the two parties. One of the most exciting capabilities of the blockchain is the ability to maintain a truly decentralized, trusted ledger of all transactions occurring in a network. This capability is essential to enable the many compliances and regulatory requirements of industrial IoT applications without the need to rely on centralized model. Now, what are the challenges? In spite of all its benefits, the blockchain model is not without its flaws and shortcomings. Scalability issues pertaining to the blockchain that might lead to centralization, which is casting a shadow over the future of the cryptocurrency. Processing power and time required to perform encryption for all the objects involved in the blockchain-based ecosystem. IoT ecosystems are very diverse. In contrast to generic computing networks, IoT networks are comprised of devices that have very different computing capabilities, and not all of them will be capable of running the same encryption algorithm at the desired speed. Storage too will be a hurdle. Blockchain eliminates the need for a central server to store transaction and device IDs, but the ledger has to be stored on the nodes themselves, and the ledger will increase in size as time passes. That is beyond the capabilities of wide range of smart devices such as sensors, which have very low storage capacity. Lack of skills. Few people understand how blockchain technology really works, and when you add IoT to the mix, that number will shrink drastically. Legal and compliance issues. It is a new territory in all aspects, without any legal or compliance code to follow, which is a serious problem for manufacturers and service providers. This challenge alone will scare off many businesses from using blockchain technologies. Hyperledger. Hyperledger is a new approach to solve many of these issues related to blockchain. It's an open source project. Hyperledger is a protocol for business to business and business to customer transactions. Hyperledger makes a novel approach to the traditional blockchain model, in part by managing the admission of participants at its core. In other words, Hyperledger is a permissioned shared ledger. Hyperledger saves computational cycles, scales well, and responds to the multitude of industrial use case requirements by providing a secure, robust model for identity, auditability, and privacy. The optimum platform. Developing solutions for the IoT requires unprecedented collaboration, coordination, and connectivity for each piece in the ecosystem and throughout the ecosystem as a whole. All devices must work together and the integrated with all others all other devices, and all devices must communicate with and interact seamlessly with the connected system and infrastructure. It's possible, but it can be expensive, time consuming, and difficult. The optimum platform for IoT can acquire and manage data to create a standards based, scalable, and secure platform. Integrate and secure data to reduce cost and complexity while protecting your investment. Analyze data and act by extracting business value from data and then acting on it. Security needs to be built is as a foundation of IoT system with rigorous validity checks, authentication, data verification, and all data needs to be encrypted. All the application level software development organization need to be better off writing code that is stable, resilient, and trustworthy with better code development standards, training, threat analysis, and testing. As systems interact with each other, it's essential to have a agreed interoperability standard which is safe and valid. Without a solid bottom-top structure, we will create more threats and every device added to the IoT. What we need in secure and safe IoT with privacy protected. That's the trade-off, but not impossible. And blockchain technology is an attractive option if we can overcome its drawbacks. Thank you for attending my presentation.